Hi guys, in this video we know about the hole size. What should be the hole size for a 3 by 3 post? And your question, what size hole should be used for 3 by 3 post? Here you have the post size made of wood that is 3 inches by 3 inches. As you know that the post used for either fencing, either framing of your house, your shed, and other construction structure. And your question is asked in this, what is the hole size for setting of this fence post? And your hole size depends on the height of your post. Height of your post. Generally, the height of post is about 6 foot, and the size of post. Size of post here is 3 inches by 3 inches. Suppose you dig out the soil like this space, this is your hole, this one is diameter of the hole, and this one is depth of the hole, represented by a small d, and this is your post. This one is your post which has size about post size that is 3 inches by 3 inches. And your question is what size hole should be required for the this size post for setting. And this remaining space is filled with concrete material. To setting a post, this substance filled with concrete. And your question is what size hole. And hole size describe about the diameter and the depth, and what should be diameter of this hole. Diameter of hole required for setting of this side post. The diameter of hole generally is about 3 times the post width. Post width, if you have the post width should be 3 inches, 3 multiplied to 3 inches, this will come about 9 inches. It means for the post size 3 inches by 3 inches, you should need the whole diameter should be 9 inches. What is the diameter? That should be 9 inches. And what is the depth? Depth should be 1 by 2 or either 1 by 3 to the post height. What is the post height? That is 6 foot. 1 by 2 multiply 6, this will come about 3 feet. And if you multiply 1 by 3 to 6, this will come 2 feet. It means your depth should be either 2 feet or either 3 feet for the setting of 3 inches by 3 post. It means the hole size required for setting of this post should be 9 inch in diameter and 2 to 3 feet in depth. Thank you.